In today's video, I am going to teach you how to withdraw money from Constant Contact. The first thing you need to know is that withdrawals from Constant Contact generally happen through the partner or affiliate system, not through a manual cash out button in the usual sense. So to begin, sign into your Constant Contact partner or affiliate account and make sure you are in the correct dashboard. This is where you can view your earnings, payment details, and account status. Once you are logged in, take a moment to confirm that your tax documentation has been submitted. This is an important part of the payout process. Depending on your location or business type, this may be a form such as a W-9 or a W-8 BN. If this information has not been completed, your payment may be delayed or held until the required documents are on file. So it is a good idea to review that section carefully and make sure everything is accurate and up to date. After that, understand that Constant Contact payouts are typically processed automatically on a monthly schedule. That means you usually do not need to request a withdrawal manually each time. Instead, your earnings are sent through the payout method you selected in your account settings. This is usually either direct deposit or PayPal. Make sure your preferred payment method is already set up correctly so there are no issues when the payout is processed. If your banking or PayPal details ever change, update them as soon as possible to avoid payment delays. To keep track of what you have earned and whether a payout is on the way, go to the Financial Benefit Report inside your partner portal. This report helps you monitor your earnings and review the current payment status. It is the best place to check whether commissions have been recorded, whether they are still pending, and whether a monthly payout has already been processed. If you are waiting for funds, this report can give you a clearer picture of where things stand. It is also helpful for confirming that your account is active, your documents are complete, and your payment setup is working as expected. So to withdraw money from Constant Contact, log into your partner or affiliate account, make sure your tax forms are submitted, wait for the automatic monthly payout through direct deposit or PayPal, and use the Financial Benefit Report to track your earnings and payment status. That covers everything you need to know.